Good choice.
This is Beyblade! Where rivalries are so intense! The blading world revolves around battles, and determination!
Sonic the Hedgehog!
Good choice.
Get ready for great fun!
It looks like everybody's in the starting circle.
Alrighty!
Minnie follows the path this way, and Mickey follows the path this way.
Of course she's still
It's full of nutrition!
Amy's in first!
Click the wheel for your first challenge.
You knew it would end up like this again?
Feels like the morning
That's the number. 7.
Now you wake up.
That means you get to read. Now it's Mickey's turn. Mousy. Gosh, do you hear what I hear? Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Here it comes.
We know anything about it.
You got it. The cricket sounds like this. That means you get to read. 1,
They just can't seem to win at all!
Man, you got sure truck full of energy today. Lots of people wouldn't know they were destroyed by their blading legends. Pictures.
No good!
That means you get to read.
Launched them out of your line!
Lucky you. You're packed in a loopy loop that didn't crash. Move ahead. Space it.
Come on! Where's the spot?
Mickey's turn.
Here comes the parade. It looks like one of the shapes is missing. Very good.
That means you get to read. 1, 2, 3. Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound. That's the one. The siren sounds like this. That means you get to read. 2, 3. Now Mickey's turn. Ready to spin the challenge wheel? Just give it a click.
Checkered parade. Here comes the parade. Oh my, it looks like one of the shapes is missing. Right you are.
That means you get to read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lucky you. You won first place in the shoe tying contest. Move ahead. Then space it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, alright!
Now it's Minnie's turn.
Starting to take here! What's your thinking?
It's the number noodle that equals the number of shapes on the placement.
My protege's got herself lucky with the Rantaro geometry!
Wait, for real?
Real? The higher ups have to do it personally! Wait, are you serious?
That's the number.
That means you get to read.
Okay, let's get this train started! That's awesome! Let's do this! They're one!
Now it's Mickey's turn.
So tell me, do you think you can keep up?
Oh yeah, this is your piece of cake.
Let's get started already! Where he comes tireless! It's all kinds of reckless! Man, the combo!
You get to read.
Here's some sure that breaks yourselves!
3, 4.
There's off. She'll do 100 push-ups.
Donald invited you all on a fishing trip. Move ahead. Pick faithful. 1, 2, 3.
200 sit-ups.
Now it's Millie's turn.
100 squats.
Pick the number noodle that equals the number of shapes on the placemat.
500 reps of pull-up shape. Wait a sec.
It's over 9,000!
Try it like this.
The number 8.
Come on, the words all over. More staggering.
You get to read.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Lucky you. Sonic taught you how to whistle. Don't tell me you're bored already. This is nothing.
2, 3.
Now it's Mickey's turn. Give the challenge wheel a click. Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound.
Not too bad. It's got some guts. Alright, now let's battle.
A sheep sounds like this.
It looks like motor right here.
It looks like Amy made it to the top of the clubhouse first, with Sonic coming up right behind.
Wow, great game, everyone.
Click here if you'd like to play again. Millie spins first.
Get the hang of this. Alrighty! Yeah! Keep it coming! Not enough!
That's the number 7.
Show me some passion! Where's your sport?
You get to read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's Sonic's turn.
Limit already?
Just getting started.
Do you hear what I hear? Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Here it comes. You got it! A cricket sounds like this. That means you get to read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Millie's turn.
That means you get to read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not too shabby. This is starting to get
Move ahead. Pick faithful.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now it's Sonic's turn.
Here comes the parade. Oh my, it looks like one of the shapes is missing. Very good.
This is my brother Rick.
You get to read.
1, 2, 3,
Turbo blader.
4, 5. Now it's Millie's turn.
Big time. So what do you say?
Here, take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound.
I told you not to kiss the hero. Now you're gonna
That's the one with the siren. Sounds like this.
It's just like Marshall's Waterboy.
That means you get to read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's Sonic's turn.
In the challenge wheel, just give it a click.
Parade. Here comes the parade. Oh my, it looks like one of the shapes is missing. Right you are.
That means you get to read.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's Millie's turn.
Pick the number noodle that equals the number of shapes on the placemat.
Right there! Keep attacking! Okay, you're blind now!
Don't get ahead of yourself!
That's the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's Sonic's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Move ahead. Space.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's Millie's turn.
Pick the number noodle that equals the number of shapes on the placemat.
Come on, show me what you can do!
Wheelchair on it! Now I'm doing one thing like the taste of a slide back. This is missing.
The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lucky you. Sonic taught you how to whistle.
Move ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now it's Sonic's turn.
In the challenge wheels,
Like you know, this could be kind of fun after all.
take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound.
For me too! I'll show you all!
Yup, there's no fun now. The sheep sounds like this.
You're a really good practice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Millie's turn.
Here comes the parade! Oh my! It looks like one side to your
You get to marry space.
1.
It looks like Millie made it to the top of the clubhouse first. With Sonic coming up right behind.
All right, we're here, buddy.
Click here if you'd like to play again.
Knock this monkey out of here!
Shadow.
Good choice.
And it's Slide Rock Tour 3.710.
Click the character you forgot to say after
So close to winning!
Good choice.
Out of the ring!
It looks like everyone's in the starting circle.
Really something special.
Shadow spins first.
Click the link for your first challenge.
Don't count on it happening again!
Lantern parade! Here comes the parade!
Without luck then!
Oh my!
What makes you think
One of
you
the
can?
shapes right
Right
here!
down!
You get to marry
My turn now!
2, 3.
I'm still battling, Huga! I mean, this match isn't even over
Lucky
yet!
you.
But
Your new tennis shoes really do make you run faster.
It's my turn!
Move ahead 5 spaces. 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll just hit them both off at the same time!
Lousier.
You on one!
Right here. Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Here it comes.
In that case, it's a tag
That's the one. Sounds like this. That means you get to marry part 1.
What makes you think I'll go alone?
I'm not taking any complaints.
Sounds good!
Be a third.
Couldn't ask for more! Settles it!
Pick the number noodle that equals the number of shapes on the placemat.
acting all tough. Sometimes even legends have to get serious. Is this really
Number 8.
That means you get to
Once they're weakened, just come in and finish them off. What's wrong?
be a turn.
What are you talking about? Did you not see what happened during the last battle? You and me crashing into
You get to win.
Head on! Over here! We have to take it slow and steady! Head on! Slow and steady!
I expected this one.
Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound.
You say that, but even you'd have trouble facing them alone.
You're good at this. Faucet sounds like this.
Take him on myself. I just told you can't do this alone. Well, I'm telling you that I can. I'm saying you can't. I can. No, you can't.
Now it's Guppy's turn.
Here comes the parade!
Oh, if you think about it,
It looks like one of the shows in.
Now it's you get to win.
I take it all back!
2, 3,
Team battle!
4. Now it's Pluto's turn.
We're gonna win this one! Ready?
That's the number 6.
Why do one camera like this? You have to concentrate!
You get to win.
Seriously?
Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound.
I was wrong! I tried to tell you!
What's up with you two? Ready to spin the challenge wheel? And just give it a click.
No way! We're just starting! What's that? Wait!
Hyperion is attacking Helios! Those dudes are gonna take each other out! We found you in curious things that are different in these pictures.
Three spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now it's Guppy's turn.
Together, parade! Here comes the parade! Hyperion and Helios have been very good!
That means you get to win. 2, 3.
You guys are making this interesting.
It looks like Shadow made it to the top of the clubhouse first, with Chip coming up right behind.
That was fun. Oh yes. Thanks for playing, everyone.
Click here if you'd like to play again. Sonic the Hedgehog.
Good choice.
Those two out of there.
Good choice. It looks like everybody's in the starting circle.
Sonic follows the path. This way. And Chip, follow follows the path this way.
The first one to reach the clubhouse balcony, way up here, is the lucky winner. If there's a grown-up playing, you can click here to see more options. Otherwise, hold this lever to get this game started.
Yo, that was an insane battle, guys!
Sonic swings first.
Perfect
Click the
coordination.
wheels for your first
Looks like we
challenge.
were worried about nothing.
These two future Beyblades might just...
You guys,
That
run a roll here.
are different in these pictures.
That means you get to reveal one.
That couple attack thing! No, turn this!
Lucky you. Mickey taught you how to whistle. Move ahead. Just jump spaces. 1, 2, 3.
I just saw potential in you two!
Now let's go get yourself carried away. Next time we're gonna share something else.
Same for you. We're gonna get a perfect victory with the first.
Yeah, we'll defeat you again.
What'd you say now? I'll show you two not to miss that.
That's a number. Thanks.
Come on, Retaro. That means you get to reveal 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's Mickey's turn.
Veterans Parade. Here comes the parade. Oh my, it looks right to us.
That means you get to reveal 1, 2, 3, 4. Lucky you. Got out in a loop-de-loop and didn't crash. Move ahead. 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Pluto's turn. Serious? Gosh, do you hear what I hear? Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Here it comes. Yep, no, on you. A cricket sounds like this. You get to read 1, 3. Lucky you. You won first place in the shoe tying contest. Move ahead 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Mickey's turn.
Pick the number. Pull the number
You get to make a very 1, 2, 3.
It's a new flavor of ice cream. Dill pickles and ice.
Move ahead 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Pluto's turn. Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound. You got it! A cow sounds like this.
It's full of nutrition.
That means you get to read 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's
Jump
Mickey's
already or
turn.
I'll leave you behind.
And we'll tell the full representation.
You know it could end up like this again.
Feels like the morning sun's just coming in.
You saw the 3 things that are different in these pictures.
That means you get to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's Pluto's turn.
Veterans Parade. Here comes the parade. Oh my, it looks like one of the shapes right to your arm.
That means you get to read 5. Now it's
It's called having style! Not that you pet sweets would know anything about it!
You saw the 3 things that are different in these pictures.
That means you get to read 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now it's Pluto's turn. Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches
It looks like Sonic made it to the top of the clubhouse first, with Chip coming up right behind.
That was fun. Oh yes. Thanks for playing, everyone.
Click here if you'd like to play again.
Good choice.
Just helping out, Joe. At this rate, you two won't be able to pull off lightning punches anytime soon.
Good choice.
It's over.
It looks like everybody's in the starting circle.
Sonic follows the path this way, and Blaze follows the path this way.
Blaze spins first.
Click the wheel for your first challenge.
You found three things that are different in these pictures.
That means you get to make it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's Mickey's turn. Mouse here. Do you hear what I hear? Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Here it comes.
Wait, are you serious?
You got it. A duck sounds like this. That means you get to hear it. 1, 2,
Okay, let's
3,
get this training started.
4, 5. Now it's Daisy's turn.
Pattern parade.
No water.
Here comes the parade.
So tell
Oh
me,
my! It looks like one of the shapes is moved back in.
That means you get to hear it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yuga's all kinds of
Now
reckless.
it's Mickey's turn.
Come on. You're so sure to break yourself. First off, you'll do 100 push-ups. Put your whining and get down to it.
So we are battling after all!
The number 9.
You get to hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait a second.
Now it's Daisy's turn.
Pattern parade. Here comes the parade. Oh my! It looks like one of the shapes is that's it.
That means you get to hear it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's Mickey's turn.
The number 2.
Pulling from my arms
That
just
means you get to hear it.
Don't tell me you're doing it already.
Now it's Daisy's turn. Mouse ears. Take a listen to the noise box, and then click on the picture that matches the sound. You got it! A dog sounds like this. That means you get to hear it. Hey,
Lucky you. Sonic taught you how to whistle.
move ahead 7 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now it's Mickey's turn.
What if first us?
This will be easy! Let's go! Helios!
Look up! We things that are different in these pictures.
That means you get to hear it.
100 times in a row.
Move ahead 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's like they're
Now
starting
it's
to get the
Daisy's turn.
That's the number 3. 2, 1.
turn.
Where's your sports? Where's your fire?
You found it! We have things that are different in these pictures.
You get to run.
We're just getting started.
Now it's Daisy's turn.
Pattern parade! Here comes the parade! It looks like one of these back there.
You get to run. Now it's Mickey's turn. Mouse ears. Take a listen to the noise box and then click on the picture that matches the sound. Yep, there's no fooling you. And how it sounds like this.
Not too shabby. This is starting to get
That means you get to run. Now it's Daisy's turn.
Oh, so you guys know each other? Where are you here, Tom?
You
Because
found
I'm the new
we
coach
have
for the
things that are
Guardians.
different in
This is
these
my brother,
pictures.
Randy.
That means you get to run.
It looks like Blaze made it to the top of the clubhouse first,
So what do you say?
with Sonic coming up right behind.
That was great. Thanks for playing, everybody.
Click here if you'd like to play again.
I told you not